Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove background in Instagram edits app. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the application into your device. Now just simply select the plus icon to create a project. Now from here, just simply select any video from your gallery. So this will be depending on you. And just simply select the check icon on the top right corner. Now guys, I have a sample video over here. So in order for you to remove the background, just simply go ahead and select one of the tools. You will have here cut out at the bottom right. So select that. Now just simply select a video from your gallery again and select check. And after that, as you can see, it will automatically be cut out. And from here, as you can see, it recognized the face. So now from here, you could either track a subject. Now from here, you could either track an object or select manually. So I'm going to go for track object. So it will be automatically remove the background for us. And as you can see, it is currently removing it. And now, once it is done, guys, you could just simply select done. And now we will have a cut out version. So now from here, as you can see, we have cutted it out. So pretty much you could use this tool to cut out or remove any background for your Instagram edits app or for your reels. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.